Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Tonight I'm going to share with you the best deals going on over at CVS for the week. I'll also show you items that I saw on clearance while I was in the store. There are some good ones. And show you how I used my $6 off a $30 purchase email coupon that I got this week. I say tonight because it is still Sunday. That's why I look the same as I did in my Walgreens video that you probably saw yesterday. If not, check out the Walgreens video that I posted yesterday. Lots of great deals going on. CVS. So I started Sunday morning this morning with thinking the Halloween was 90% off. So normally I just go to Walgreens in the morning, but of course when it's 90% off, I have to sneak over to CVS. So I stopped by the CVS, which is literally on my way to the Walgreens, and popped in, and they do in fact have Halloween items at 90% off. And there were also some summer toys and games that were ringing 90% off as well. Let me just show you a couple of the items that I saw on clearance. These cute little books. I noticed a few different books at my store, 90% off. So this one cost me 49 cents. I got a Wonder Woman shirt and cape because, I mean, I obviously need that. It was only $1.99. I picked up this throw burrito game, normally $30. I picked it up for $3. And then these little like Halloween party packs were just 99 cents. So I will throw these in with my candy just in case there are some kids that don't do candy or don't like candy. I always like to have some little like fun little trinkety thing that they could choose instead. So I went ahead and picked up a bag of those for next year. Now, I also noticed some clearance food items that I want to tell you about. Coffee, which is obviously food. It should be a food group if you ask me. The Snickers coffee was ringing up $2.75. The McCafe Toffee Almond was ringing up $3.25. So that was 75% off on the coffees. Now, this I happened to see when I was walking out the door. It was like on this little standalone display, and I noticed it said 75% off, but it didn't have any prices. So I was like, I feel like I've seen Ibotta offers for this brand. So I ran over to the little scanner thing. These Brainiac Brain Bars were ringing up $1.75. And the squeezers were ringing up $1.50. Now, when I scanned it in Ibotta, this qualified for a $2.48 rebate. I grabbed 2 boxes, which is all my store had. I think the limit was 3 on Ibotta, but don't quote me on that. Check your own Ibotta app. So I bought 2 at $1.75. I got $2.48 back on each of them, making it a 73-cent moneymaker on each box. Now, the squeezers, they had more of these. These were $1.50, getting back $2 each on Ibotta, so making each box a 50-cent moneymaker. And these do expire fairly soon. I mean, they're not expired, but I know I saw an expiration date. So this one's in January. I think the one I read first said late December. But I like these because they're quick snacks. So I purchased 3 boxes of those. Now, the gift sets, a number of gift sets are marked $5.99. You'll pay $5.99 at the register, but then get back a $4 extra care buck. That's a limit of 1. So pick the gift set that looks best to you, and you'll snag it for $1.99 after you get that extra care buck back. I'm going to tell you how I put these together for my spend 30, get $6 off. Now, the Gillette razor, this one's $7.99. There was a $3 digital coupon, so that leaves you to pay $4.99, getting back a $3 extra care buck, so $1.99 for this razor here. I also picked up 2 of the Colgates. These are 2 for $7.98. When you buy 2, you're going to get a $7 extra care buck back. But I printed out 2 different $1 coupons from coupons.com. So I actually paid $5.98, but got back a $7 extra care buck, making my final cost completely free and $1.02 moneymaker. Now with the CoverGirl, I don't have a number of coupon inserts that I get each week. I get one from my friend who gets the newspaper. So I had a coupon for $3 off an eye purchase and a coupon from the newspaper last week for $3 off a face purchase. So I picked up the eye pencil here, the Perfect Blend at $4.49. And then I picked up one of the concealers at $7.29. CoverGirl is on promotion this week. Buy two, get $6 in extra CareBucks back. I used one $3 coupon for this one $3 coupon for this one. So I paid $5.78. I got back $6 in extra CareBucks, leaving my final cost to be free and a 22-cent moneymaker. Now, I picked up the razor, the gift set, the Colgate, and the CoverGirl all in one purchase. That got me to $33.74. Now, after my 6 off 30 came off, and my dollar coupons here, my $3 coupon on the Gillette, and my $3 coupons on the CoverGirl, I paid $16.74. I got back $3 for the Gillette. I got back $4 for the cosmetic set. I got back $7 for the Colgate and $6 for the CoverGirl, making my final cost for all of those things completely free and a $3.26 moneymaker. So I made $3 here, made money here. That covered my coffee. So I essentially got everything you saw in the video completely free. So last week I did a YouTube short. So if y'all liked that format, let me know. I don't think as many people saw it as see my regular videos, but I kind of liked it because it was nice and quick and I gave you the deals super fast. This week there were more deals, so that's why I'm not doing a short. I can't spit all that out in 1 minute. Definitely look for those, because if it's a week where there's not as many deals, I may post a YouTube short. If there are more deals going on, I will post a full video for you guys. I'm trying to think of what I want to tell you. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving break with your family. I'm looking forward to Thanksgiving with my family for sure. And giveaway, I have a giveaway going on over on Instagram right now, so definitely check that out. I just announced the giveaway winner in my Walgreens video for that $50 Swagbucks gift card. So if you got entered in that last week, check my Walgreens video to see if you won. I believe that's it. So I hope you guys have a great week and stay tuned for clearance pictures at the end of the video. Thanks.